Hello friends, hope you all are well. So today in this video we will discuss about unsecured education loan from Union Bank of India. As we all know that Union Bank of India is a government bank wherein majority of the stakes are held by Government of India. It provides lower interest rate than private banks and NBFCs. It has a special education loan for Tier 1 Indian institutes like IITs and IIMs. It also has a special scheme for premier universities in abroad. So let's see what all documents are required from the student who is going for education loan. So they require KYC documents of the student such as PAN card, Aadhaar card and voter ID. They will require an electricity bill of the permanent residence. They will also require bank statement of last 12 months. They will require admit letter and academic documents like 10th, 12th and graduation mark sheets. If the student has given any competitive exam like GRE, TOEFL, IELTS, then he has to provide the scorecard. Student also has to provide the expense documents such as I-20 or any kind of mail from the university wherein breakup of tuition fees and other expenses are mentioned. If the student is a professional, then he has to provide salary slips of last 3 months or Form 16 or ITR of last 2 years and his joining letter of the company. Along with that, the student also has to provide the documents of the co-applicant. Here, co-applicant can be any blood relative like father, mother, brother, sister or any cousin as well. So, KYC documents of the co-applicant will be required such as PAN card, Aadhaar card and voter ID. Electricity bill will be required from the co-applicant as well. If the co-applicant is working professional, then he has to provide salary slips of last 3 months, Form 16 of last 1 year, ITR of last 2 years, and if the co-applicant is running a business, then he has to provide a GST certificate as well. Along with that, bank statement of last 1 year will be required. So now we will discuss the loan details for Indian Tier 1 institutes like IITs and IIMs. So a maximum loan amount up to 40 lakhs is possible for these universities with an interest rate of 8.1%. The processing fees will be 5,000 rupees, which is paid at the time of getting the sanction letter. And if the student has taken a disbursement within 3 months, then this processing fees will be refunded back to him. Union Bank of India will take around 6 to 7 working days to process the loan, and they will offer a moratorium period of course duration plus 12 months. This moratorium period means that the student doesn't have to pay any interest or EMI during this period. Now we will discuss the special scheme for premier education abroad. So, a maximum of 40 lakhs without collateral is possible under this scheme for the students who are going abroad with an interest rate of 9.75%. The processing fees will be 5,000 and the moratorium period will be course duration plus 12 months. So let's say if the loan amount is more than 40 lakhs, then the student has to provide a collateral. So a maximum of up to 1.5 crore loan is possible, and if a student is willing to provide 50% of the collateral, then he will get an interest rate of 9.5%. The processing fees will remain 5,000 and the moratorium period will remain course duration plus 12 months. But if the student is willing to provide 100% of the collateral of the loan amount, then the rate of interest will be much lower, which will be 9.25%. The processing fees remain the same and course duration will be course duration plus 12 months. To be eligible under this scheme, the student has to get an offer letter from the university which is in their list. So list is provided in the description below, you can check it out. All the major countries like US, Canada, UK, Germany, Australia and many more countries are listed under this scheme. Now we will understand the application process from Union Bank of India. First, the student has to download the application form from their website and complete the form. Then, along with this form, he has to submit the required documents in the nearest branch. If collateral is applicable, then he has to submit the collateral documents as well. Now, the credit team of Union Bank of India will work on your file, and if your file is suitable, then they will sanction the loan. After the loan is sanctioned, you will have to pay the processing fees of 5,000 rupees and fill the agreement for disbursement. And if you take the disbursement within 3 months, then this 5,000 processing fees will be refunded back to you, as we have discussed in the previous slides. Now, Crunchfinn is an official partner of Union Bank of India, and they can help the students who are going abroad or who are taking admission in India for an education loan in a very hassle-free manner. Those who don't know about Crunchfinn, so basically it is a education loan marketplace which is helping students to get an education loan at a lower interest rate and at a much lesser time as compared to other banks. So you can visit their website www.crunchfinn.com and you can fill out their loan eligibility form. After filling the loan eligibility form, you can get the best loan options from their top lenders. They will assign you a education loan expert who will help you to get the loan sanction within 3 to 4 working days. They are now partnered with top lenders who are providing education loans such as HDFC Credila, Avance Financial Services, Union Bank of India, ICICI Bank, Incred, and many more. Do check out their website for more information. So with this, we end this video. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, please do share and subscribe this channel